Yeah, blessing my viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing, man. I don't know it's a newlink there. And from newlink production, giving thanks to life. You know what I mean? Blessings, people. So right now, people, I'm telling you. Wow. Too much Jamaica, too much. And with crime on the rise like this, people expect, say, if you keep silent and don't say nothing. Come on, man. Right now, people, I'm going to tell you this now. A 33-year-old taxi operator, people, is there right now on the ice, right now on ice, after he was stabbed to death several times by angry mob. Yeah, Kaiti said that now, people. On Thursday at about 5:50 p.m. this taximan, right, was driving along Crescent Drive in Kingston, people, when them say he come up to some water and him splash up, the water splash up a person. So they said that him come out of the vehicle and, you know what I mean, and ting, and a group of men was standing there, people, and an argument developed between the taximan men and the group of men, people. And it is said that the man, them, start use them knife, people, to inflict wounds to this man's head, in chest, all over him body, people. You know what I mean? The residents, other people say, well, go on and call the police, and when the police come on the scene, people, only thing them could have do is take up this man and, you know what I mean, make them carry and guard the man. Because, yo, the way the man them deal with the man and them gone. So the police now is trying to get some questions, you know what I mean, looking and see if them can find. And the unspear police, they are the one who are dealing with these people. And I try to find, you know what I mean, because, in the end, I'm saying, you know, people, things like them are not great and are nice, you know. Me know how Jamaican state certain things, especially the water splashing thing there. You know what I mean? And in the end, boy, honestly, some people, Jamaica man, they, you know, them could have lived, you know. Them could have lived because I tell you these people, I understand why the full thing was going. Even I wasn't there, but I understand maybe, you know, him splash the man for chewing or somebody for chew. And the man them saw and say, yo, Virgin, you know, look where you are, man, you're an idiot. You know, the end now, maybe him get angry now too. You know what I mean, people? Because I say go sometime, you know, maybe he's not a person who could have say, yo, you know, I'm sorry to one thing. And when him get angry now and because maybe in himself, he must say, my top man, him a bad man too. I'm just telling you, you know, people. And after that now, you know, he maybe take it, the man and take a thing different and so, you know what I mean? So in the end, maybe just one word him did want, you know. And I'm sorry. You know what I mean? Because sometimes I do things, people, and you do something, it all you need for those is apologize. If I'm just sorry to a man and he can't take a sorry, well, boy, them man, they are tough. Because, you know what I mean? Me know say it's an accident. You know, water can do your drive, and maybe at the time you could have cut down the speed and thing, but, you know, some just sorry. But you still give these men no right to do this man like that. 32-year-old man gone left him, youth them and thing, because of that. See, I remember one time I was going to a party when I was small, about 16 years old or 15 years old, people. I think it was a bounty killer. Bounty killer was going into the party. You know what I mean? It was Elephant Man birthday bash, and me I walk going, people, because there was a line. Because them tell the honestly, me never have no money, you know, people. So we are wait for see the artist say walk going back artist. Whole heap of people I do the same, because you know when a bounty a big entourage. So me force myself in the entourage, now people and I go in. And the crowd kind of ease back so people. And me I tell you when me ease back so upon one man white shoes me step people and one thump me get in on my side. You see when me turn around and me look so people and me come so. I tell us so the man tall and big so people as I look at you, the only thing I could have done, you know, because I'm ready to get angry now, you know. Just take my time and just, honestly people just come out of the crowd and go hold my side because it pain me, you know. Just I tell you, maybe if me did come so boom, now and look on the tall boy and say, yo, you're idiot. Maybe right now, right now and gone, tell me, because maybe I want to be in the game. So I'm just telling people, so yo, me I tell you boy, you know what I mean? At the end, yo, sometime, you have to just walk away. I tell you the truth, people. Yeah, man, because right now, newlink could have gone. We don't have a newlink right now, you know what I mean? I tell them they're whole heap of years now. Zine, so, at the end, all I can say is my condolences to the family of this taxi man, this 33-year-old man, and I hope justice will be served and the police will do catch these monsters who do this, because, honestly, things could have dealt with better. Better than they take piece of tick and put on some lip and if they behave disrespectful in a certain way or anything like that, you know what I mean? But the man them are too slippery, man. Them too easy for, you know what I mean? Too easy, man. Too easy, yo. People life will not deal with no, bro. Come on, man. Some of you, some subscribers, I don't know the thing, man. This is Newlink from Newlink Production, and we say attacking people and don't know the thing. Remember to do subscribe. When you do subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so Newlink drop a video, you'll get them. And remember, follow Newlink on IG. Don't know Newlink Instagram, you know. Newlink_production official. Don't know the thing, people. Remember, check me out on Facebook too, Newlink Production. Remember, man, don't know the thing. Attack them, Newlink. Peace. Jamaica. One love. I'm out. Attack. God.